How to unblock contacts on Telegram X. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily unblock them. First of all, open the application. So this interface will pop up. Basically, this is the inbox section. Here, you'll be able to find different contacts and the people that you have added. Now, simply tap and hold on to the person whom you want to unblock. So here I'm tapping on one. Now, without leaving the touch, simply drag and drop it to this three dot icon on the bottom. So after you do this, you'll be able to find different options on the top. Here on the right top, tap on this three dot icon, and here there's a section of unblock. Tap on unblock and it's all done. So the contact has been unblocked. Now you can easily have conversations and chat with this person. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.